Welcome to Connection Center. Think of it like a Kindle for your enterprise data. All your connectors like Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Snowflake, and all your connections organized in one place. But it's more than a library. These connectors integrate directly into your OneStream solutions. Today, we're going to walk you through the full experience, adding a connector, creating a connection to SAP, and pulling live trial balance data into a dynamic cube using dynamic cube services. All from right here. One click. SAP Connector is now in your environment. Once a connector is added, every solution in your environment can use it. Set it up once, and your entire team benefits. No duplicate configs, no redundant connections. The SAP Connector is your go-to when integrating OneStream with SAP systems. Let's set up a connection between OneStream and an SAP data source. Here we're creating the authentication with our SAP source. Quick setup, point it at your system, and you're connected. Now that our data source is linked, let's create an endpoint and preview the data. Select your services, create your endpoint, and preview the data completely codeless. What you see here is live SAP trial balance data ready to flow into OneStream. Now, let's put that connection to work. Dynamic Cube Services is where your data becomes a cube. With Dynamic Cube Services built with Genesis, connecting to your external data is seamless. Select Connection Center as your source, and every connection you've registered is instantly available. No extra configuration, no middleware. Our connection shows up automatically because we registered it through Connection Center. And just like that, live SAP trial balance data right inside OneStream. Everything finance needs to build an analysis pulled directly from the source. We map the SAP data to the dynamic cube. This is where we create a dynamic profit center dimension, and once that's set, we can jump right into building and analysis. One click, model created. From SAP to a published cube in minutes. No custom code, no ETL pipelines, no waiting on IT. And there it is. A fully interactive dynamic cube built from live SAP data, connected through Connection Center, analyzed in dynamic cube services. This is what it looks like when your platforms actually talk to each other. From connector to connection to cube in minutes. That's Connection Center. One place to manage integrations with OneStream. Secure, scalable, and built for finance teams. This is just the beginning.